In this video, I'm going to show you how to do Sendit on Snapchat. For this, open the Sendit app on your mobile phone, click on it, and here click on Ask Me Anything in order to edit your prompt. Now edit your prompt by writing something else that you want to post on your Snapchat. And we can also play interesting games and add it to Snapchat or add background by clicking on the background button on the bottom right corner. Click on it, and we can also change font by clicking these buttons, and we can also add trending templates to our stories by clicking on the fire button and then choosing among these templates. Or we can click on the dice button on the bottom left corner, and it will show new prompts. So after writing a prompt, you have to click on the share button down below, and then it will open the Snapchat app, and from here you can choose any filter that you want on your snap story. So for example, I'm choosing this filter, and you have to click on this button down below at the circle button in order to capture it. And here you can also move your send it prompt and click on a story to send it. So that's how you can do it. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.